Let's talk about how to actually combine multiple shipping. Like if you're trying to ship multiple items on eBay, let's talk about how to combine that. This is an important element to understand because if you want to keep customer service stellar on eBay, you need to know how to combine shipping on multiple items. So first thing first, you need to understand that eBay combines shipping and its benefits because it does have benefits, okay? By the way, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. And it's really important to understand that to combine shipping on eBay, you need to understand the benefits. So combined shipping on eBay basically allows you to put, let's say, multiple products in one package, okay? And you can also blend shipping charges instead of charging your customers for individual packages. So it's a win-win for you and your customers. You can save time, you can save money by cutting down on the cost of shipping and packaging for your customers. So knowing that your customers can save money on delivery may encourage them to bid or buy more products from you. Okay, so in this case, everyone benefits. It's a win-win for everybody. So with combined shipping, you can enjoy the convenience of one shipping. This is really important. You can streamline shipping processes. You can save shipping costs. And most importantly, at least for us, for the last 20 years we have been researching this topic, you can boost customer satisfaction with cost savings. And so you need to know eBay combined shipping options. So when we talk about eBay combined shipping, you have a lot of options, but there are three that are very important. So to save on shipping costs on eBay, you want to use the combined shipping options. And so there are three. So combined shipping discounts when buyers request. So those here we're talking about manual discounts. You have combined shipping discounts you apply automatically upfront. And there are cases where there are no combined shipping discounts. Okay. And so when we talk about so when buyers request combined shipping discounts on eBay, they ask the seller to combine multiple items into one shipping and charge a lower shipping fee for the entire order. And to approve the request, you need to ensure that all items are from the same seller. Calculate the total weight and size of the items to determine a reasonable combined shipping fee. And you need to update the shipping fee for the entire order in the listing. You really need to understand the pros and cons of eBay combined shipping because a lot of folks talk about eBay combined shipping has benefits. Yes, it does have benefits, but there are some cons also. There are some detriments that you need to have a clear idea about. By the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a quick convo about eBay, how to actually combine shipping on multiple items on eBay. So to merge shipping on eBay, it's important to know the advantages and disadvantages of doing so. So let's talk about the pros. You are able to reduce clutter by receiving all items in one package instead of multiple packages. You save on shipping costs by grouping multiple items into one shipment. This is really important for your bottom line down the road. You are able to streamline the shipping process by only having to pay and manage one single shipping fee, right? So again, we're speaking about a good impact on your bottom line. What about the cons? So when you use combined shipping, you can't really have control over shipping speed. Like the shipping speed of each item, you can't control that because this is part of a whole set. Okay, so really you are losing control there. And when you combine items into one package, the weight of the package increases, which in some cases can result in higher shipping costs. This is something that a lot of eBay entrepreneurs or eBay resellers don't really think about beforehand. So I don't want that to happen to you. Think about that beforehand. And another thing I want to say here is that when you combine items into one package, there is a higher risk of loss or damage during shipping. So loss or damage is an important element because again, remember, shipping is something where you have there's an element of uncertainty anytime you ship, and anything can happen. So here you have it. You have the pros and cons. So the next time a customer asks you for combined shipping, or you yourself manually wants to initiate a combined shipping process think about the pros and cons. Now let's talk about how to enable eBay combined shipping settings, because the thing is that, things don't happen automatically on your eBay dashboard. You need to actually initiate them. You need to, because eBay wants to make sure that you as the reseller are in total control here, that you are the one who has actually initiated this process. So to merge shipping on eBay, you need to enable eBay combined shipping settings. So to activate combined shipping via settings on eBay, right now it's a pretty straightforward process, by the way, though. So you just want to log into your eBay account, and what will happen here is that once you are in your eBay account, you actually need to click on my eBay page, and so eBay page, you need to select the Seller Hub from the drop down menu, and on that page you need to click on the shipping tab on the left side of the page, and you need to go to the combined shipping section. So this is where everything happens, by the way. And there you need to activate the combined shipping switch. You need to put it on, because it's usually off. By default it's off, because eBay wants to make sure again that you are the one initiating such process, so you have to put it on. So you need to click on edit to adjust the combined shipping discount to your satisfaction, and you need to click save to apply your changes. So pretty straightforward, I should say, pretty straightforward, nothing complicated here. Okay, so you save and that's fine. Now let's talk about automatically offering combined shipping. So to combine shipping on eBay, understand how to automatically offer combined shipping. So the thing here is that when you automatically offer combined shipping on eBay, you save buyers money on shipping costs, and this can also result in more sales for you, right? Because some buyers might be incentivized, might be interested, might be encouraged to buy more items from you, because you are seen as a seller or reseller who saves them money. So to automatically offer combined shipping on eBay, you want to log into your eBay account and go to the seller's dashboard. You want to click on listings and events, select shipping profiles, and you want to go to the combined shipping discount section, and you just need to enable that option to automatically offer shipping discounts. Okay, so this is the only way to do it automatically. Now let's talk about how to manually offer combined shipping. By the way, I want to quickly remind you to this topic. We are talking about eBay, how to combine shipping on multiple items. Okay, so the thing is, to combine actually shipping on eBay, it's important to understand that you can also manually offer combined shipping. So to do that, you need to go to your eBay seller account. You need to select the items you want to offer combined shipping for. You need to click on the combined shipping button. You need to set the shipping cost for the combined items. So that basically, based on the level of a discount you want to apply, you need to set that during this process. And that's it, voila. You need to save the changes and start listing the items for sale. Okay, nothing really complicated here again. And let me explain to you quickly how to upload tracking for eBay combined shipments, because basically, if you have multiple shipments, if you have a combined shipments, you need to enable tracking. So to merge shipping on eBay, let's talk about the eBay combined shipping, the tracking for those combined shipments. So to upload tracking information for eBay combined shipments, go to your selling dashboard on eBay. Okay, and at there you need to find the item in your list of sold items. So it has to be sold items. Because you have to sell it first, and so this is how eBay sort of categorize your transactions. And you need to click mark as shipped. This is an important process here, and you need to enter the shipping carrier and tracking number. And once you're done with that, you just click save. And what will happen here is that eBay will automatically categorize your transaction, so we'll put it into the right category. So you were able to not only to track it for shipping purposes, but also for revenue analysis purposes. Like if you want to see how optimally you're able to deliver your goods, how optimally you're able to sell products over time, This is a really, really good criteria. And one thing I also want to say here is that eBay goes above and beyond their processes to make sure that you have instant oversight, instant monitoring when it comes to your shipments, whether it is individual shipments or combined shipments. So you want to make sure that you are actually and eBay provides a constellation of analytics, of reports that really give you insight into what's really happening in your in the back. Like in the I would say like your dashboard is just an important element, but your dashboard is not just for to let you know how many products you're selling. You also need to know how you are selling your products and how much revenue you are generating. Let's talk about how to combine shipping on eBay after payments. This is an important element that you need to know. And so to combine shipping on eBay after payments, which is important, you want to contact the seller and ask if they combine shipments. Remember, you basically are going to buy, you're going to buy, let's say, something from a seller or because you're a reseller. So you want to buy something from them. Ask them if they combine shipment. This is the very first question you should ask, because the last thing you want is to actually promise a customer that you are able to combine shipments and the seller is telling you, nope, we don't do that. Then you find yourself in some kind of a very complicated limbo because you have already given your word. Okay, so always have assurance first that you can deliver on what you're promising. Okay, very, very, very important. So you need to confirm if the items are from the same seller. They must be from the same seller, because you want to have unicity here. You want to have a single source of information here. You want to ask for a combined shipping invoice that includes all your purchased items. That way, you are clear about what really happens. You're clear about what's going to, like, the cost. You're clear about the expectations. Okay, you want to review the invoice sent by the seller. And by the way, you could do this if you're an eBay customer or you're an eBay reseller. Okay, reviewing the invoice is important because you want to double check to make sure that you are clear, that you are on the same page. You know the products you are going to receive. You know how much such products will cost. There is no surprise whatsoever. Okay, and you need to, once you review the invoice sent by the seller and you're comfortable, you want to pay the agreed combined shipping fee. So this is the single shipping fee you'll be paying. Okay, and wait for the combined shipment to arrive. Again, this piece of advice applies not only for the eBay reseller who is buying from another seller, but also to the end customer who is buying from the eBay reseller. Okay, and keep in mind that not all sellers can actually combine shipments combine shipment after payment. So it's always important to check the seller before making a request. And I want to talk to you now about how to combine invoices on eBay. So, and this advice specifically applies to an eBay resellers. So if you're listening to me right now, to merge shipping on eBay, you got to understand how to combine invoices. And to do so, you want to find eligible items. You want to look for items from the same seller with the same shipping cost. Okay. You want to add items to your cart. You want to place eligible items in your eBay cart. So again, this advice can apply to a seller or a reseller. And so what the thing here is that you need to actually request combined invoice. So what you do is you go to your cart and you request total buttons. And so you just wait for the combined invoice. The thing that's important to understand here is that it's all about expectations. It's all about having an agreement with a seller or a reseller and say, listen, I want to make sure this is what I want. And I want to make sure that things are delivered based on our agreements. Okay. And you also need to devise an eBay combined shipping approach that is a winner. You want to make sure that it basically always works for you. It has to be a win-win for both parties, the seller and the customer. So you want to research shipping costs. You want to determine shipping policies. You want to keep an eye on shipping performance. right? Because the last thing you want is to actually find yourself in a shipping process where you know you're losing money, or you know you're losing time, because there are two things that you can actually you don't want to trade for when doing business on eBay: losing money or losing time. Okay, and you have to think about what's really happening. So if you're an eBay reseller, listen to me right now. Think about promoting your combined shipping options, because this could be a great opportunity for you to know exactly what you're getting yourself into. Okay, and keep your customers informed about your shipping policies, like whatever you have in mind. Okay, because that's the bottom line. And so if you have a well-planned strategy, you are thinking about having a customer-focused strategy, you're able to get things done the proper way. You're able to keep all parties happy, and that's what you want. You want customers to come back to your store, to your eBay store, and constantly buying from you, because they have recognized that you are a seller who keeps his or her words. You're a seller who has good combined shipping policies, and you are a seller who constantly saves customers money, and that's the kind of reputation you want to have. Let me give you a few pro tips before we close to this conversation. So the thing is, when we talk about eBay combined shipping, it's just a great option, because it's a win-win. As I've said this before, it's a win-win for both the reseller, but also the clients, because it really simplifies eBay shipping when you really think about it. Okay, because when you consolidate orders, you can reduce package complexity and avoid tracking multiple shipments to the same buyer. And if you want to think about it, like if you're telling me you're speaking only for one order, okay, but what if you have multiple orders in a month, in a year? Think about the savings here, okay? And the buyer also enjoys greater shopping experience, because they know that they will be getting their products in a bundled way, okay? And so by doing that, if they really enjoy greater shopping convenience, all these things raises customer satisfaction, which as an eBay reseller you want to have anyway, right? You want to actually think about customer satisfaction, customer service, okay? And you're able to save more money, and it helps you also combined shipment also saves you money, because again, you are able to talk to one single carrier. You're able to combine all. You're able to bundle shipments. You're able to talk to one carrier, and you're able to have access to some discounts, because some carriers will give you discounts by placing bulk shipments, by placing bulk orders. So it's like, think about it. If you are speaking about wholesale versus retail, right? Wholesalers have access to discounts that retailers don't have access to. If we think about resale, like retailers selling items one by one versus wholesalers buying stuff in bulk, so you can apply the same strategy here. So long story short, here you have it. The reason why you might want to think about combined shipment on eBay. So long story short, here are the top 10 reasons why you want to do combined shipping, and why it is really, really, really a great strategy for you. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.